Hello friends, today I am going to teach you chapter 2 Assess the movements of the earth part 3 page number 11 and 12. Now today I am going to teach you about the eclipse. Now friends, tell me what is the meaning of an eclipse? The eclipse means when the revolution of the earth revolution of the earth revolution of the earth around the sun and the revolution of the moon around the earth causes eclipse. Now friends, when eclipse occur, when the revolution of the earth revolve around the sun, and when the revolution of the moon around the earth, when the earth revolve around the sun and when the moon revolve around the earth, at that time eclipse occur. And when the earth, the moon and the sun fall in the same line, the eclipse occur. Revolution of the earth around the sun and the revolution of the moon around the earth, the eclipse causes. And when the earth, the moon and the sun fall in the same line, at that time eclipse occur. Now friends, I am going to teach you the solar eclipse. The solar eclipse, what is the meaning of solar eclipse? The sun is the natural satellite of the earth. This is the sun. The sun is a natural satellite of the earth, and we human beings live on the earth. The sun, the moon and the earth fall in the same line, the solar eclipse occur. When the solar eclipse occurs, the sun, the moon and the earth fall in the same line. At that time, the solar eclipse occurs. At that time, the shadow of the moon falling on the earth is called the solar eclipse. At that time, the shadow of the moon falling on the earth. This is the earth, this is the moon and this is the sun. When solar eclipse occurs, the shadow of the moon falling on the earth. At that time the solar eclipse occurs. The solar eclipse occurs on the new moon day. Solar eclipse when it occurs on the new moon day. And the solar eclipse is also known as the eclipse of the sun. This solar eclipse is also known as the eclipse of the sun. And this solar eclipse and lunar eclipse both we can't see with our naked eye, without any kind of help like specs, binocular, and then we can see the lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. In solar eclipse, the moon comes in between the sun. This is the sun and this is the earth. In solar eclipse, the moon comes between the earth and the sun. The shadow of the moon consists of the darker part known as umbra and lighter part known as penumbra. The darker part of the moon known as umbra and the lighter part known as penumbra. Now friends, this is our solar eclipse. Solar eclipse occur on new moon day. And at that time, the earth's lighter part known as penumbra and the darker part known as umbra. Now friends, again I repeat this, the solar eclipse. This is very tough topic. So I repeat one time again. We live on the earth. The sun is the natural satellite of the earth. This is the sun. The sun is the natural satellite of our earth. And the sun, the moon and the earth fall in the same line. At that time, solar eclipse occur. When the solar eclipse occur, when the sun, the moon and the earth fall in the same line. At that time, solar eclipse occur. The solar eclipse occur on the new moon day. Solar eclipse occur on which day? The new moon day. The solar eclipse is also known as the eclipse of the sun. This solar eclipse is known as the eclipse of the sun. We can't see the solar system with our naked eye. With the help of any kind of goggles, we can see it, or X-ray film. In solar eclipse, the moon comes in between the sun. In solar eclipse, the moon comes between earth and the sun. The shadow of at that time, the moon occur in a shadow. The shadow of the moon consists of darker part. At that time, the shadow of the moon, its darker part known as umbra and its lighter part known as penumbra. Now friends, I am going to explain lunar eclipse. Before that, I explain about solar eclipse. In lunar eclipse and solar eclipse, when the sun, the earth and the moon fall in the same line, both eclipses occur. In the lunar eclipse, the earth is in between the moon and the sun. The earth is fall in between the moon and the sun. In this eclipse, earth's darker part is known as umbra. The earth's darker part is known as umbra and earth's lighter part is known as penumbra. Earth's lighter part is known as penumbra. And this eclipse known as partial lunar eclipse. This kind of position is known as partial lunar eclipse. At that time, the moon turn in red color. The moon turn in red color. Why the moon look in red color? Because of the reflection of the sun. Why the reflection of the sun? The moon look in red color because the sun is made up of different kind of colors. That's why the moon look in red color. It is also known as red moon and also known as blood moon. In the lunar eclipse, the sun, the earth and the moon fall in the same line. This is the earth's orbit and this is the moon's orbit. Without any kind of help, we cannot see the lunar eclipse and the solar eclipse. Cannot see with our naked eye. The lunar eclipse occur on new moon day. The 5 safe ways to view the eclipse. Which kind of 5 safe ways to view the eclipse? First one, solar viewing glasses. With the help of solar viewing glasses, we can see the solar eclipse and moon eclipse. Solar viewing glasses protect our eyes from the harmful rays of the sun. So we have to wear the solar viewing glasses, then after we can see the solar eclipse or lunar eclipse. Pinhole projection. We can make this pinhole projection with the help of big box. Make a very little bit hole inside it and put a little small camera inside it. This is the pinhole projection. Anything with a small hole in it. Friend, do you know about the marigold biscuit or another kind of biscuits with the very little bit hole? We can see solar eclipse and lunar eclipse with the hole, this kind of biscuits. A mirror. A transparent mirror. With the help of transparent mirror, we can see the solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. And binocular. With the help of binocular, we can see the lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. Now friends, in this chapter, how many topics I taught you? The first one is the earth, about the earth. Our earth is a spherical model and it's tilted little bit on its axis. Our earth is a model. Our earth, another we can see the another model of the earth on the globe. On the globe, our geographer make so many kinds of continents and oceans on it. I show you globe in my last session. Then after movements of the earth, which kind of movements our earth does? Earth move, rotate on its axis, and another time it also revolve around the sun. When the earth rotates on its axis, it is called rotation, and when the earth revolves around the sun, it is also known as revolution. Now this is the rotation and revolution of the earth. Then rotation of the earth, revolution of the earth. When the earth rotates on its axis, little bit tilted, it is known as rotation, and when our earth revolves around the sun, it is known as revolution. Due to the rotation of the earth, day may change. Earth needs 24 hours to rotate on its axis, and when the earth revolves around the sun, it takes 365 days and 1/4 days, 365 and 1/4 days to complete its revolutions around the sun. Then after seasons. Seasons, how many seasons? I taught you there are 3 main seasons: summer season, winter season and monsoon season. Due to the revolution of the earth, seasons may change, and due to the rotation of the earth, days, and we get direct rays of the, we cannot get direct rays of the sun due to the rotation of the earth and revolution of the earth. Then after I taught you about equinox. Equinox means equal days and night on the earth. And solstice. Solstice means in equinox days and nights are equal in length, but in solstice days and nights are not equal in length. Then after I taught you eclipse. Both eclipse, lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. Solar eclipse occur on new moon day and lunar eclipse occur on full moon day. When the earth, sun and the moon fall in the same line, the eclipse occur. On eclipse, the earth falls between the sun and the moon. This is known as the lunar eclipse, and in solar eclipse, the moon falls between the earth and the sun. This is known as the solar eclipse. solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Then after solar eclipse and lunar eclipse, at that time sun's rays too much harm to our eyes, so that we have to find 5 safe ways to view the eclipse. Without help of these things, we cannot see easily lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. If we try to see these both eclipse without this kind of help, we can lost our eyes. Solar viewing glasses. With the help of solar viewing glasses, we can see the solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Solar viewing glasses absorb the sun rays which directly harm to our eyes. Pinhole projection, pinhole camera. Then after, anything with a small hole in it, a mirror and a binocular. These 5 views to help to see the solar eclipse and lunar eclipse.